Alright, test 1, 2. Alright, it's working. Sorry guys, my mic went out. Alright, what I'm trying to do is here I'll actually explain with this. I'll explain with my actual editor and the script here. I'm trying to make it to where I attach this to my first person shooter and the remote player, which is set right here. If I pull out the in player, as you can see, I have this access manager. Remote player is set here. This of course was the constructor, but I removed it because I had so many errors. It was just I had to re-download the project and I started all over, like I've done I don't know how many times now. I've actually just emptied my recycling bin and I had 171 gigabytes of just this folder from the past I don't know how many times trying to do this with just different scripting errors that I've not slept, so I've just given up. I've just delete the files and redo it all over again. Going back to what I was talking about, I'm getting off track, I'm a little tired. I attached the constructor where the remote player would be. I have the access manager excuse me, set it to inactive. It turns off the activity. Right here. Set active is false. Well, what I want to do is I want to attach this script here to this right here, to the first person player. Then I want it to, when I move, set a string like idle, walk, etc. like I have here. If input.w and get key down.w, then the animation name is walk. Well, I want it to also be attached to the remote player. So even though it's deactivated, it receives that string and then it plays the animation that the string is declaring. If it's walk, then it looks for the walk and it plays walk. If it's run, I want it to play run. I'm trying to use strings because I'm also trying to learn how to do weapon sync. As most of you know, the other day I had my little hard drive yeah, I'm not going to go there, but it kind of fried, to so to speak. Most of it's melted, but that's none of the, problem here. I lost all of my files that I've been working on for almost 7 months on my other game. I gave up on everything in Everlasting right then and there. And I went to Master Server, and now I'm trying to learn, and I don't think you understand, Badumna and Master Server are completely different. I can do a replication of a string, and then easily sync animations over the server. Right now, I know RPCs kill bandwidth, so I don't want to use RPC. So I'm stuck at, what do I do? I also don't like the movement update, where if you set a lerp v equals to the vertical input of the character, I want to be able to sync in more animations than that. I want to be able to do more, so strings will help me go along faster with that. You'll understand and see why later if you help me, but right now, just know, for this instance, I would love to use string. If I can't, somebody please explain to me. The Mars tried to help. He sent me files. Those files, I understood them. It's getting the input from the character values, streaming them over the server, and then the server's relying it back to the remote player, and the remote player is playing exactly what it's set in the right. The problem is, I didn't quite like that function. Yes, it did work, and yes, it worked great. But it wasn't exactly what I was hoping it to be. And I tried to rewrite it, and it just wasn't working. Yeah, I tried to stream a string. That did not work. I tried setting instances that scripts could access each other. It worked. Locally. Server-wide, it did not. So, if anyone could help me, please. I can't even explain. I've literally, if you go through my search history, you'd probably see about everything network related via the Unity references. I can't even explain anymore. But yeah, thank you, Cash, for this. kit. This will help me understand master server, and hopefully the ARM Unity community can help me out a bit. If not, I'll figure it out, hopefully. Start working. I just want to learn this, and then I want to figure out weapon sync, and I'm pretty sure if I can figure out animations, then it wouldn't be that hard to do weapon sync, because I could just easily do the stream of a boolean to setting things active, probably. I don't even know. Went from one network suit to the next. It's so much different. Well, anyway, thank you, and I hope you guys can help.